Hey there, photographers! Are you looking to boost your business and stand out in the crowded photography market? Let me tell you about a game changer, lenticular prints. Lenticular prints are those eye-catching images that shift and change as you move. Think of them as photos with a wow factor. Not only do they captivate viewers, but they also showcase your creativity and technical skills. Imagine offering your clients something beyond the ordinary. Weddings, graduations, even corporate events. Lenticular prints add a dynamic touch that regular photos just can't match. It's like bringing a little slice of magic to their memories. Now let's talk business. Lenticular prints aren't just cool, they're profitable. You can charge a premium for these unique pieces, and because they're so special, clients are more likely to choose you over competitors. Setting up for lenticular printing might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. There are online services and software that can help you create stunning lenticular images without needing a degree in rocket science. Plus, once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to produce these prints quickly and efficiently. Marketing them is a breeze too. Showcase your lenticular prints on social media and your website. Create short videos to demonstrate the effect and watch the engagement soar. Your audience will be intrigued and eager to learn more. So if you're ready to elevate your photography business, give lenticular prints a try. They're not just another product, they're a conversation starter, a unique selling point, and a way to set yourself apart in the industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on taking your photography to the next level. Catch you in the next video.